Okay, so we are solving linear equations, tables, and graphs. So the notes are super short, but there is a practice, which is a grade. So it says the table below shows several points from a function y equals f of x. So we don't know the equation. All we know is this table. Okay? And it says describe the solution set. So I want you to remember f of x equals y. So if there's an f in parentheses in front of it, it's giving us x, right? Yes. And if it's no f in parentheses in front of it, so this has f in a parenthesis, so what is it giving us?
-3.
X, right? That's our x. So we're going to look in the x. Where's -3?
1.
And what does it equal?
-9.
There's your answer.
So that's all we have to do?
Mm-hmm.
So the next one is -9 as well?
So this is x. Does it tell us what x is?
Oh, no.
It tells us what is. It tells us y, because it's on the outside. So y is -3 here. What does x equal?
0.
-3. 0.
Okay, so then it says, will f of x ever equal -11? Well, could it equal -11 up here?
Yeah.
What is this counting by? Go to the positives. How do you get from 1 to 3? 2. Is -9 plus 2 -7?
Yes.
So what if I wanted to go backwards?
You add 7.
I wouldn't add, I would
Subtract.
What's -9 minus 2?
9, 11.
-11. So will it equal -11?
Yes.
And what will the x value be if I go up one more?
4.
-4. Any questions with that? So just remember label x, y, x, y. Inside parentheses is x, outside of parentheses is y, yes? Now this one is different. I want you to realize it says g of x equals -3x plus 1. G of x is the same thing as saying y, right? While this, obviously, is our x. So it's not giving me x. What is it giving me? Because it's on the other side of the equal sign by itself, it is my y. So y, I want you to realize this is my x values, this is my y. Y represents your height. Where is this a height of -2? Well, -2 is a height right here. And where is it that height?
1.
X equals 1. Now, could we check our work here?
No.
Yes. If we plugged in 1, -3 times 1 plus 1, it should equal -2. Did it work?
Hold on. 1, 2. I got -2.
Then it worked, because doesn't this equal -2? Yeah, so you can check your work. Okay, then it says -3x plus 1 equals 4. So again, this is my x. This is my what?
Y.
Y. So I'm looking for where it's a height of 4. So here it's a height of 4. What's that?
So I don't know where my other class is supposed to be at, and they kept sending me back and
Stay?
No. So,
Yo, that's how you.
but this is during the class. Height of 4, where's it at?
Alright, I see how it is.
Where's it at?
I don't even want to do no. I don't even
X
do work on
equals -1. Eliane, I love you, but that's my break.
it. Just don't do anything.
It says find the values when g of -1. Where is it? Inside parentheses or outside?
Inside.
Inside. So is it x or y?
X.
X.
Man,
Yes?
I'm over here yelling, thinking that you're not answering none of my questions.
Oh. I'm ignoring you. I'm just kidding.
I was yelling. Okay. I'm confused though. I don't get this.
Okay, hold on. I'll go back over it. Give me 1 second. So since it's inside parentheses, it's my x. And now x is here. Well, didn't we just find that? What's it a height of at x equals -1?
4.
4. So y equals 4.
Oh, okay.
So will g of x ever equal -11? If so, at what value? Well, let's find out. -11 is going to be way up here. Okay, so down here. Gosh, -11. So I want you to realize it's here at 5, and it's going down 1, 2, 3 over 1. So if I go down 1, 2, 3 over 1, there's 8. Down 1, 2, 3 over 1. 8, 9, 10, 11. Now it's at negative 11. But where is it at x-wise?
What are you doing?
I'm confused again. Oh, 4.
I'm just extending my graph.
The graph, baby.
It's 4.
Because it's asking me about negative 11, and this doesn't show negative 11.
I ain't gonna mute this time.
You're right. No, I hear you, but I was answering his question too. Now, could I have also just typed the equation in the calculator and looked at the table?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because ain't it the same?
Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's the same thing from the top.
It is. Not quite. Almost.
Because the number's still the same. It's still negative 11.
Well, that one was negative 4, but this one's positive 4. It's kind of the same questions, just different things. Okay, so if you see, you have a practice.
That's all we have to do today?
Okay, it's 2 pages, front back, just front back.
Pick up my package and then come back home.
It should be in the system.